Hi, I'm Michael, KB9VBR. I wanted to sit down today and just give you a little bit of an update of what's going on to the channel, because I've got a really big announcement that I want to make, so make sure you stick around for that. But we've also have a lot of other great things that are happening in the background, so I thought this would be a good time. You know, it's been a few months since my last channel update to kind of get you up to speed what's going on and what's going to be happening. But first, I can't believe this weather we're having. For the last week, we've been just totally socked in with smoke, compounded with the temperatures in the mid-90s. It's just this terrible heat wave, and then the smoke to boot. I mean, it was a struggle to get content produced, and this is like the first day in over a week. It's like July 20. It's July 22nd. July 21st. It's July 21st. I gotta look at my calendar here. This is the first day we've actually been able to breathe clean, fresh air. We've had a cold front come through last night. As you can tell, it's breezy and it's beautiful out. It's going to be in the 70s, and I'm really looking forward to that. But that's not what I'm here to talk about today. First off, let's talk about the channel, because we just hit a big milestone. 77,707 subscribers, all sevens. It's a lucky number, and I always love it when all the sevens roll around. You know, be it on the subscriber count, the odometer on the car, or anything else. So thank you, everybody that has supported the channel, has been a subscriber, and let's keep that momentum rolling. Let's get to 100,000. Let's get to 777,777. That would be totally amazing if we could do that. So, but the big announcement that I really wanted to make and share with you is that I'm going to be at the Huntsville Hamfest. This is a show that has always been kind of a struggle for me because it's a bit of a travel to get down to Huntsville, Alabama from northern Wisconsin. It's a big drive. We'll be pulling the camper, and but you'll find me at the show on Saturday, August 22nd. And if you're in that area, northern Alabama, Tennessee, come on down to Huntsville. I'd love to chat with you at the show. I really would. But that's not the big reason I'm going down to Huntsville. The big reason is that I'm going to be part of the arrl National Convention that happens on Friday, August 21st, and I'm going to be joining Walt Hudson, W4OGO, Salty Walt himself. We're going to be, I'm partnering with him and also John McAuliffe, W1DRF, for the arrl's convention's training track, and it's the Salty Walt's Portable Antenna Workshop. It's going to be an all-day thing that's happening on Friday, August 21st, and led by Salty Walt himself, and then I'll be there, and John, W1DRF, and then it's going to be just all day talking about portable antennas, operation, tips, tricks, everything you need to know. It's gonna be a great thing. We're gonna lead you through practical antenna designs, operating tips, how-tos for successful portable operations and adventures, with lessons and techniques that will also apply to your home station. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. All-day thing. So I'm really looking forward to this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and this very unique partnership. So I hope you could join me for that antenna track, on a training track on Friday, August 23rd. You can register 21st. You can register at the arrl website. We'll put links down below so you can check it out. Full details there. Highly encourage it. It's going to be a fun time. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope I can see you there. And then Saturday, I'll be at the show. So make it a weekend in Huntsville, Alabama. I know I am. And you know, I'm looking forward to the trip. I'm not looking forward to the heat, but I am looking for the trip and the opportunity. So it's going to be a fun time. Another thing I wanted to share with you is coming up this October is our 4th annual Wisconsin Ham Radio Campout. We're going to be at Lake Wissota State Park, August 2nd through the 4th, or excuse me, October 2nd through the 4th. Lake Wissota is in western Wisconsin, near Chippewa Falls, right off of Interstate 94. Just a little bit north of Eau Claire, Wisconsin, to kind of give you your sort of an idea of where it is. It's going to be a great opportunity. There are still sites available at Lake Wissota State Park. It is a very big park, and I don't think we're gonna sell out the campground this year. So there's going to be a lot of people there. It's going to be a fun time. As what we've done in our previous ham radio campouts it's just a lot of fellowship and learning and getting on the air, and our big Saturday night potluck. So if you're in that sort of, you know, that Wisconsin, Minnesota, even Illinois, you know, vicinity, Iowa, come on up and join us. It's going to be fun. I hope to see you there. I'll put links to our campout down in the video description. If you want to learn more, we've got an email group reflector that gives you all of the details on the campout. So check it out. The other big thing that I wanted to talk about is product reviews, because we've had a fair amount of product reviews on the channel in the last several months. Manufacturers, vendors have sent me things. I've picked some things up at Hamvention, and you know, and I've been working, you know, steadily to get these items, you know, tested and on the air and demonstrated the practical effects of how these things work. And I'm really thankful for all of those supporters, the manufacturers and vendors that support the channel through their in-kind support in that regard. You know, my reviews are really designed to inform and educate. You know, I'm not a testing lab, but I show practical applications on how you can use these items, and hopefully I give you insights, you know, showing these products in use so that you can make an informed consumer decision if it's something that is worth for you. You know, everything that I show on the channel is carefully selected. I try to pick things that I know are going to be of interest to my viewers. I know that are things that are interest to me. And you know, a lot of times one of the side benefits is if you do decide to purchase the item, a lot of times there's some affiliate income that comes back to support the channel. And that's important because this channel, you know, it doesn't run on its own. It takes a commitment. It takes my time commitment. It takes a financial commitment to produce the high quality and caliber of content that I want to put out there, and every little bit helps. So I thank my supporters in that regard that are able to do those kind of things for me. And then also, as a viewer, you can support the channel on your own. Now, this is one thing that I do not do on a regular basis, is shill for my own content. If you like it, I'm really appreciative of it. Like and subscribe. There's that new little hype button on the, you know, right below the video pane there. You can press that. That helps share the content to other people. There's affiliate links, you know, for a lot of stuff. If you purchase anything through, say, DX Engineering, Chameleon Antennas, etc., please consider using one of my affiliate links. It doesn't cost you any more, and it supports the channel. That little bit really supports the channel because, frankly, AdSense doesn't cut it. YouTube advertising has just been going down and down and down over the years, and that's the reason why we have, you know, so many content creators looking for these outside relationships in order to help support their channels. Check out my content on Patreon. You can subscribe to my Patreon feed for absolutely free, $0. I'm not asking you anything. Just go become a free member, and what you will get is my weekly email newsletter full of a lot of extra content you're not going to find in the video, stuff that's on my mind that I'll put out there in a blog format, and who knows, maybe that'll become a video in the future. But you can read it. You can get some extra insights of what's going on, and it even if you're not one of the sustaining members, it still helps. But if you do become a sustaining member, you get early access to all of these videos. You get bonus content. You get my full unedited Parks on the Air videos. If you want to see me operate in the wild without any editing or anything like that, you could get all of that bonus content at our sustaining membership level. So check that out. And then also, I have a website, jpole-antenna.com. I make VHF and UHF antennas that are been very popular over the years, and that is another method in which I sustain myself through that merchandise. So if you're looking for a good VHF or UHF antenna, check that stuff out. I just had a production run of my 6-meter antennas. They sold out. If I've got enough people interested in another production run, I'll see if I can get another one out, late summer or early fall. Probably early fall, looking at what my travel schedule is going to be. But I need a minimum number of people interested in it to make, purchasing the materials cost effective for me, so that I can provide these antennas at a good price for you. So. Thanks a lot for your continued support. I really appreciate it. So, questions, comments, I'd love to hear your thoughts. I truly and sincerely appreciate your support over the years, and everything that my viewers have done to help make this channel a success. I couldn't do it without you. So I am eternally grateful for that, and thank you so much. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and thanks for watching me ramble for the last I don't know how many minutes. Huntsville, Alabama, August 21st and 22nd. Be down there. I'd love to meet up with you. So thanks for watching. I'm Michael, KB9VBR. Have a great day in 7-3.